Class Amphibia. Do you know that word amphibia is derived from Greek words amphi, which is double, plus bios, which is life, which means organisms which can live in water as well as on land. They are evolved from fish, but they have muscle glands in the skin in places of scales. Their skin is smooth, slippery, rich in mucus. Their heart is three-chambered. The respiration takes place either through gills or lungs. They have two pairs of limbs, and their digits do not have claws. They lay eggs. Some common examples of amphibia are salamander, bufo, toad, rana, common frog, hyla, tree frog, etc.